Freddie DeMarco here at DeMarco's Recording Studio, and Doug Jenkins and I just did a shootout with a Warm Audio 2A and a Teletronix 2A. Check this out.
Love and innocence is fading. Just Just watch me now. Love and innocence is fading. Just watch me now. Love and innocence is fading. Just watch me now. Love and innocence is fading. Just watch me now. Love and innocence is fading. Just watch me now. Love and innocence is fading. Just watch me now. Love and innocence is fading.
This rage, it's been building inside of his mind. This rage, it's been building inside mine. This rage, it's been building inside of his mind. This rage, it's been building inside of his mind. Rage, it's been building inside of his mind. This rage, it's been building inside of his mind. This rage, it's been building inside of his mind. This rage, it's been building inside of his mind. This rage, it's been building inside of his mind. This rage.
The Warm Audio 2A is completely awesome. I mean, I could get the same tones, the feel, really push the heck out of it. And I've owned the Teletronix one for like 7 years and the Warm one for a year. I use the Warm one all the time in mixdown and in tracking, actually. So what I like to see is just that it could do the same things. I'm not so concerned if I have one knob here and the other knob and the other unit here to achieve the same thing, as long as it's capable of doing that. And boy, I love it. And Doug did a little bit of a more technical test.
Well, briefly, because I know there's a set of people out there that want to see it, how accurate, if we're trying to compare, okay? At the end of the day, that's what we can do. We took a kick, another kick, the same kick, and you flip the phase, the one going through the WA2A, the other one going through the Teletronix, and it literally canceled itself. So what that tells me from my experience is that's very accurate. But in this video, what we wanted to do was we wanted to give you real life, okay? If you're gonna put your hands on this compressor and you're gonna turn the knobs, it's fun, okay? You put your hands on the 2A, the WA2A, you put your hands on the Teletronix. They're both awesome compressors, but that's what this video is all about, showing you two awesome compressors, very, very close. So I had fun. It was awesome.
No, it was great, man. Thanks for joining us, and go Warm Audio.
All right.